Hello students, in this module we are going to discuss about the equation of motion and thereafter we will solve certain numerical problems based on the chapter motion. So as we know that in motion we have three types of equation. Equation of motion, three types: velocity time relationship. This is the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. Second type of equation is position time relationship, which is s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third type of motion equation is in terms of position velocity relationship, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now we have a problem. Problem is a particle is moving in a circular path of radius r. What would be the displacement after half a circle? Means we have to find out the displacement after half a circle. This is our circle, you can see, and here a and these b, these are the particle. Particle a is moving in a circular motion, means particle a is moving in a circular motion. We know that displacement is AB because this is the shortest path, and shorter distance between initial and final position. Say this is our initial position A and B is our final position, and we have to find out the displacement after half a circle. This is half a circle, means semicircle. So we have the radius for this is R, and from O, this is the center point, which is O here. OA distance is R, again OB distance is R. So if we add R plus R, we will get 2R. R plus R, we will get 2R. So this is the displacement after half a circle. Next question is, a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. So as we know that 1 km per hour is 5 by 18 in meter per second. We have just converted kilometer per hour in meter per second. So this is the relationship we have, and we know initial velocity, that is u, given to us 80 km per hour, and final velocity, which is v, which is 60 km per hour. So we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second just by multiplying 80 by 5 by 18. So we are getting here 200 by 9 meter per second. In meter per second we have converted 80 km per hour into meter per second, and this comes out to be 200 by 9. Final speed, which is given to us 60 km per hour, likewise we have converted it in meter per second, which is 50 by 3. So total time which is given to us, t is equal to 5 seconds. Acceleration of the bus, we have the formula, a is equal to v minus u by t. Just by putting the value of this, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, right? If you divide it by time, we will get the acceleration. So we have put it all these values in the formula. So we will get the value minus 10 by 9 meter per second square. This is the unit for the acceleration, meter per second. And here minus sign indicates that acceleration is retardation, that is speed of the body is decreasing, means negative acceleration shows that the speed of the body is decreasing. Next is, a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second for 2 minutes. We have to find two things: speed acquired, and second is distance traveled. We know that initial velocity is 0 because the bus starting from the rest. Acceleration which is given to us, that is 0.1 meter per second square. Time which is already given here, that is 2 minutes, and we have converted 2 minute into second, that is 120 second. As we know that v is equal to u plus at just by using first equation of motion. Here initial velocity is 0, acceleration 0.1, and time is 120 seconds. So here from here we will get 12 meter per second. This is what? This is the speed acquired. And second, we have to find out the distance traveled. So for this we have the expression s is equal to ut plus half at square, and just by putting the values, half into acceleration 0.1 into square of the time, that is 120 into 120 second, because here time square is given. So from here one can get the value. Distance traveled is 720 meter. Next we have the third question. A motorcyclist drives from A to B with a uniform speed of 30 km per hour and returns back with a speed of 20 km per hour. Find the average speed. This is the question from the average speed. And if we consider AB, that is x, so the time t1 comes out to be x by 30, because the motorcyclist drives from A to B with uniform speed 30 km per hour. So t1 comes out to be x by 30. This is the distance, and t2 x by 20, because he returns back with the speed of 20 km per hour. So total time t1 plus t2 to and fro, we will get, if we add these two, x by 30 and x by 20, but just by taking LCM we will get 5x by 60 r. And we have the formula for the average speed, that is the total distance divided by total time. Total distance is in to and fro motion, x plus x, that comes out to be 2x, and total time we have already calculated 5x by 60. If we solve it, we will get 24 km per hour. So in this video, students, we have discussed about the types of motion, three types of equation which are there in the chapter motion, and thereafter we have discussed about the certain numerical problems. I hope this video is useful for you. So thank you very much for watching it. Have a great day.